Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. So this week's a little different. So starting on Sunday, you have a gap between weeks 8 and 9. I did that on purpose because I want all of you to start working on your assignment, which is due in week 12, your research paper. So if you look at the assignment guidelines, I just open them up. It's hard for me to share the entire document, but I'm going to do my best. You have to have a paper with a presentation, and it's due in a few weeks. So I'm going to ask that you send me a draft paper, a minimum of 5 pages. Of course, you've already looked at the topic. We've talked about the topic. Many of you have emailed me about said topic, so make sure that you have a topic ready to go. You have to have, of course, citations in this paper, so your reference page has to be at 5 to 7 references. So 5 to 7 references doesn't mean using, Wikipedia or any source like that. That's a .com website. You have to use .gov or Google Scholar to find this information. And luckily, I've provided you a lot of great sources and resources in your course content. So if you want to find those resources, of course, go to the APA research section in your course, and you're going to have information here about the research paper in the course content. Just a couple of notes. When this is done in class, in the past, before this was an online class, we used to have a presentation where students would talk about their paper and other students would grade their presentation skills. Since we can't do that, we're going to just do a video upload, which I think is a lot easier and a lot more meaningful. You won't be able to give feedback, but from the perspective of as if it were in person, that would be very important to do. That's why I left the assignment guidelines the same, so it's more realistic and it feels like we're, of course, gathered in an area together to present. So make sure when you're doing your video, you take it in that capacity. Really quickly, I want to just highlight the importance of Google Scholar, and we've already talked about this. It's one of the most important websites you can use in your research. So if you ever want to find anything related to dental hygiene, right, we can just search for that. And from the perspective of finding where to cite, you just click the cite button here, and you're going to find APA citations based on what you want to look for. There's all kinds of information in here. I think it's a very effective tool, and you can use it as much as you want. Make sure you have 5 to 7 references. Of course, anything in Google Scholar would count. So anything that you find there that's related to your paper, use it. Hope you had a good week. Hope it was a great holiday. Make sure you send me a draft of your paper by end of next week, which is December 3rd. And I look forward to reading it and helping you and giving you feedback to make sure you have a great grade in this assignment. Thanks so much.